Hang on. Okay, this is the carburetor return from Merker. This is the one here that was explained to me that the gas runs right straight through it when you let's see, I don't know how to say it. He says his diagnosis was that the float was sunk and the fuel's not shutting off. So let's see what we got. Well, so far the fuel shut right off perfect. No flooding, no nothing. Mixture's almost perfect. Mixture's perfect. Well, as you can see, it runs perfect. Okay, put her up on high pressure. We're going to shoot ultra high pressure to it and see what it does. We just shot 9 pounds to it. Put her back to 3. Okay, the only thing we do, we're going to let it set here under high pressure to see if the float sinks. In other words, I don't know what to tell you. Nothing wrong with that carburetor so far. Okay. I'm going to shut it off.